To use the update file, first is going to the CNC system and look at the CNC monitor. The first stop is going to diagnosis. Then enter diagnosis. The next stop is going to sys administration. The third is install software. After this, they will pop out the window to select the file. Here I use the USB disk. So I choose a USB and I'm going to look at where I put the update file. For example, now here it is. Then after check, I choose yes. Just enter again. Now I'm going to restart it. You can see it's running the install. Yep, I've now connected the front now. Now I'm going to see. So now the updating see.